I normally just do these as shorts, but there are like 100 of them here, so I'm doing a full length. Here we've got what looks like a Gerber Avalanche. I'm hoping that's not broken, because I'll take it if it's not. Maybe. Looks like it fell off the pallet. Looks alright, but it's nothing special. Here are a couple of Vitromexes. I believe we've seen these before. They are from 2003. Here's a Vortens Vienna. It's got water in it from rain. I've been looking for one of these to compare to my Mansfield Alto. This one's September 25th, 2011. Very new for a Vortens Vienna. Elongated and clean, and it can flush too. Mostly. I'm definitely taking that. I'll probably take the other Vienna. I want to sell off my tank parts. I have a lot of tank parts that I'm not going to be doing much in the way of restoration in the future, so I am going to pick up a bunch of them now and just sell all my tank parts off, not buy any more, and I don't know if I'll be doing restorations very much after this. So these are identical twins, it looks like. (2011) probably, but I can't see it. Then this one is a Briggs original ball cock. I like that. It's got a new wax ring. It's from October 3rd of 2005. I'm gonna grab the ball cock if nothing else. Then this is another Briggs, I think, or something else that's similar. Ugh, that's gross. I don't know the date of this one. Oh, there we go. It's something 7th, 2005. There were 2005 Briggs Altimas here last time. This is a slim tank Vitromex. That's rare. I'm probably not going to get it. And there's another toilet on the other side too. Looks kind of dingy. It's very moldy too. Jeez. This is September 19, 2002. And then here's the lid from it. I can tell because it's totally covered with mold. I guess I can't really say for sure what I'm getting now because I'll decide later, but here's another Vitromex from December 6, 2002. It's round, I think. Yeah, I'm not getting that or the lid. Here's another Vitromex. Probably the same as the others. This is like a, is that a Champion 4 Max? And a very dirty box. Wonder why someone would replace one of these. Gosh. Well, I'm taking the seat if nothing else. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's one of those electric, or no, it's just dual flush. Thought it was one of those, like, whatever you call them. That's neat. It's junk, but it's neat. It's got the logo and everything in the tank, too. That's neat. I'm probably going to get that one. Make a few bucks off of it. We saw this already. That's just a Vitromex, I think. Yep. So, I don't know if there are any in the dumpster, but I'll look at that after I look at this. This, I think, is just a box. Oh, there's a toilet in there. The tank is gone. It's probably in the dumpster. It's a Kohler or a Sterling. It's a Sterling. See that logo right there? I don't know what kind. Oh, it's a Stinson. That's the Stinson lid. That's not common at all. I can't see anything in there. There's a toilet tank. I'm gonna come over to the other side and see if it's worth going in there or not. I know I threw some in here last time, but I don't know where those even are. I don't see them. There's some tanks in here. Here's a fill valve. I bet that's the Stinson tank, that broken one over there. Oh, there's a whole toilet in there. It's a giant base, whatever it is. I'm gonna go up in there. I'm gonna get in from the back, and I'll pause the video to do that, and I'll be right back. For some reason I couldn't get it open this time, so I just climbed in here. That's a Cimarron from February 3rd of 2006 or 2008. Don't know which, but destroyed. December 26, 2005. That is an old Cimarron. That was close. I just want to get a good look at that date there so you guys can see. Found the oldest Kohler Cimarron on YouTube. And it's broken. Wonder what kind of tank parts that's got in it. Better be careful up here. That seat actually still looks like it's not in too bad shape. Yeah, guys, don't try this at home. It's got a flush valve, regular flush valve. I don't think any of these parts are worth saving. But I don't see anything else down there. And it is really rocky up here, so I don't think I'm gonna stay much longer. I'm kind of slipping as it is. So I don't know where that Sterling Stinson tank went, but I'm probably just going to get the lid and call it a day, and I'll decide what I want of all that. So for sure I'm getting the 2 Viennas, and that's a pretty nice fill valve, but I don't need any more of those. That Cimarron's really cool because it's old, but I don't need it, and I'm gonna hurt myself if I try to get the seat. So let's go ahead and get off of here. And I'm gonna put the phone down because even though it doesn't look like it, I prioritize my safety over my views. All right, so we're back down, and I have mostly 2-inch flush valves. I'm gonna get both Viennas. I'm probably not gonna get, actually, you know what, I might as well. I've been wanting to test one of these on a high tank. If this dual flush thing has a seal that can be replaced, I won't throw it away. All these Vitromexes have wax in them. If there's a good seat, I'll get that, but so far it's looking like both of these new American standards, I'll get both the Viennas, and none of these, they're disgusting. Not this either. I'll check the bull date on that one, but otherwise I think that's about all. So that was quite something.